In this video, I will introduce PRYME headsets for ICOM radios like the F1000, F2000, and other radios with the ICOM two-prong accessory connector with two mounting screws. This connector is the PRYME 30S connector. PRYME dual earmuff headsets provide 23 to 24 dB of hearing protection for people working in noisy environments, while PRYME single earmuff headsets provide comfort and convenience. First, let me introduce our most popular headset, the HDS-EM headset. The HDS-EM headset has a noise reduction rating of 23 dB and is available in black or carbon fiber finish. It features a stainless steel band which sits behind the head, and a soft adjustable strap which goes over the head. This headset comes standard with comfortable foam ear pads, but many users prefer to upgrade to PRYME gel pads for an additional fee. At the end of the adjustable boom is an active noise-canceling microphone which can handle most noisy work environments. The push-to-talk button is found on the top of the earmuff opposite the boom microphone. We also offer a tactical upgraded cable with an inline PTT button for those who need it for an additional fee. The HDS-EM headset also features a 3.5mm audio input jack for a second audio device like a scanner or MP3 player. The HDS-EM and our other dual earmuff headsets all work with our removable and replaceable radio interface cables sold separately. Next, let me tell you about the HBB-EM series. This series has two styles to choose from, our over-the-head black headset and our hard hat mount. The HBB-EM-HM is available in black or yellow and mounts to standard hard hats not sold by PRYME. Both styles provide hearing protection and have a 24 dB noise reduction rating. Both styles use the same comfortable foam or optional gel pads as the HDS-EM. Both styles have the same adjustable active noise-canceling microphone. Both styles have the same tactical PTT mounted on the side opposite the boom microphone. Both styles have a rotary volume control knob. As I mentioned before, PRYME dual earmuff headsets require a radio interface cable sold separately. These headset cables are available for most two-way radio makes and models, which will allow you to use your PRYME dual earmuff headset with a different radio. PRYME offers two different single earmuff headsets, the HLP-SNL and the Patriot. Both have inline PTT buttons and active noise-canceling microphones. The HLP-SNL is an adjustable overhead style headset with a padded metal headband. It has an adjustable boom mic which allows you to wear the earmuff on the left or right ear. The Patriot is worn behind the head with a flexible boom mic fixed to the left side. The Patriot has an optional wired finger switch available at an additional cost. If your ICOM radio does not support wireless audio and wireless PTT technology, PRYME Blue adapters will allow you to use a PRYME Blue headset. If your ICOM radio does support wireless audio and PTT technology, PRYME Blue radio version audio accessories will work directly with your ICOM radio without an adapter. Here is a list of our current PRYME Blue audio accessories. We are happy to answer any of your questions and help you find accessories right for you. Contact us via email or telephone.